Alright, so we're looking at the pollen grains right now. And so what we have are several stages of the male microgametophyte. So probably what we were seeing in the pine cone earlier, where we could only see kind of one cell in there, that was probably at the stage of the microspore. Now what we're going to see is that the microspore, or mitosis, has occurred within that microspore. And while mitosis is going to yield 4 daughter nuclei at the end, 2 of them generally are reabsorbed, leaving behind 2. And so we'll usually see those large air bladders, and then the generative cell or the sperm cell, and the tube cell. The tube cell tends to be the larger of the two. And this is considered, let me label those air bladders. This is considered an immature microgametophyte, but it also is given the term pollen grain. The next stage of development, and this is considered the mature part of this, is that the tube nucleus, or the tube cell, is actually going to start growing down. And so we'll kind of see a little tube coming down with your air bladders still behind. Okay. So you can kind of usually see that tube nucleus somewhere in the tube there. And at some point, the generative cell nuclei will divide, and so these will become the sperm nuclei. Depending on where your slide or what stage it was preserved at, you may not see both sperm nuclei. You may just see one and then the tube cell. So it'll vary a little bit. Okay, I'm going to add some color and then we're finished. Alright, I've added a little bit of color, so now let's label the ploidy here. So the microspore is haploid. It's already undergone meiosis. And then all of these things are just mitotic divisions of the microspore. So everything is haploid. And this one that has started to grow, it is the mature microgametophyte.